In this section, we're going to talk about dispersion of light, and I used rainbow as an example. So in this example, you could see that this is the water droplet, and it changes the n, which is the index of refraction, when the sunlight, this is the sunlight, enters the water droplet. So when it enters the water droplet, the first refraction happens, and dispersion of light comes from the red light, orange light, yellow light, all the way to the violet. So the refraction occurs, and then each color of light disperses differently, and at this point there's a total internal reflection. And then after the total internal reflection, at this point it's gonna refract the second times, and then different colors has different refraction again. And so when this is the eye, when we see the color, we see it as an array of color from red to violet as in the rainbow. And this is the reason why we see rainbow. And from this experiment, we could see that n changes with lambda, which is the wavelength of the light. And usually, not usually, but red has higher wavelength than violet. And from from experiment and from the sources from textbook, we could see that the index of refraction with the red light is always smaller than the index of refraction with the violet light. And that is the dispersion of light.